Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessings be upon all of you. My content is not usually in English, but this video is an exception. It's actually a collection of different clips I have found on YouTube today in which non-Muslim have heard the Adhan for the very first time and feel the impact of it. So I just collected all those clips. For those of you who don't know what Adhan is actually a call to prayers which Muslims do 5 times a day. And it has its own soothing spiritual impact on people. So I will request you that please watch the video from start till end and see what I'm talking about.
Jeddah's unique call to prayer.
Wow, what timing! From every direction.
36 mosques in 1 square kilometer. And it's been calling for 1400 years.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And it is the same words from the time of the Prophet. And look, people closing their shops, and everybody is going to pray. Look, they're closing.
Just magical. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
It's such an incredible sight and sound that I find myself completely overcome.
And soon they will be reading Quran, and maybe one of them will be reading the story of Jesus and Mary, because it's in the Quran, and Moses. Look at the shop they're closing to go to pray.
I feel quite moved.
It is a nice experience.
Beautiful.
Yes. And it's authentic, and it's human. It's not recorded. So each guy is calling. And in the past, 100 years ago, before the introduction of the microphones, they used to go all the way to the top, and he calls. And then everybody hears.
I love this sound.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I have a mosque next to my building.
Same, it's so calming. Like anywhere that you are, you can hear it, and it's like.
He got goosebumps. Yo. What's happening? Can you...
It's nice, ja, het is nice. Koek het door. Dat man, jy wil in of uit. Kom eens op.
Get the light with.
Ja, maar. Where are you? Where? Oh my God! Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
One of the most haunting and beautiful sounds in the world is the Muslim call to prayer.
Por favor, não reparem na minha cara. Eu sei que eu tô chorando. Mas é porque, tipo, eu não acredito que eu tô aqui. Desculpa. Essa é a chamada de oração aqui em Jeddah. E no raio de 1 quilômetro existem 36 e durante o chamado todas elas fazem o chamado juntas. Então se você fazer 36 mesquitas fazendo o chamado todo esse bairro histórico aqui de Albala. Ainda dá pra ouvir o chamado. Ele não é aberto, você não pode chegar no museu e falar, eu quero conhecer, quanto que é. Não é assim que funciona. Você tem que entrar de da minha amiga. Conseguiu que a gente viesse aqui sozinho. Só que não acho que é só a esposa dela.
Allahu Akbar. Azaan.
And then when I was doing Taken 2 in Istanbul, the call to prayer, the Muslim call to prayer starts at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So,
it's an extraordinary sound.
Wow. So the first week it was like, second week it was like, oh, it's kind of quite nice. But the third week I was totally captivated by it. Loved it. So then I thought maybe Islam's the answer.
I'm not sure what they'd think in Ballymena.
But that wouldn't get down very well.
That would not.
They'd say, oh, Muslim, are you a Catholic Muslim or a Protestant Muslim? That's what that would be.
We just finished in Istanbul. We were there for 2 months, just before Christmas. Beautiful city, unbelievable place. And the call to prayer happens 5 times a day, and for the first week it drives you crazy. And then it just gets into your spirit. It's the most beautiful, beautiful thing. And these mosques, there's 4,000 mosques in the city. Some of them are just, they're stunning. Really makes me think about becoming a Muslim.
Yeah, so you have been traveling a lot, huh?
Yeah.
And this movie takes place in Istanbul.
Istanbul and Turkey.
And how was that?
Your soul
Yeah.
became the most magnificent wake-up call.
Beautiful.
Allah.